Contrary to what I thought and what many others thought, the Note 8 Pro does indeed have support for GCam. Some amazing developers have made it possible. If you want to jump straight to the video, you can just skip. But I would like to start with an apology to all those people who actually bought the Note 8 instead of the Note 8 Pro because I said the Note 8 has GCam and the Note 8 Pro doesn't. I shouldn't have blindly assumed it. I don't have excuses. I'm not gonna justify myself. I'm really sorry. The Note 8 is still the best value for your money. It's the best phone under 10,000 rupees. And if you compare Note 8 GCam and Note 8 Pro GCam, Note 8 GCam is better. It's mostly because the Note 8 Pro GCam is not that stable yet. But still, a mistake is a mistake. If some of you thought the Note 8 Pro would get GCam, then you would have probably waited. So it was a huge mistake from my side and I guarantee it won't happen again. Having said that, let's get to the video. Before I show you how to install and configure GCam, let me introduce you to these amazing skins from Capes India, our sponsor for this video. There are so many colors and textures available, so there is something for everybody. And everything is completely customizable. The newly launched brown leather is my favorite. Looks amazing. The quality is top notch as always. The cutouts are precise and perfect. And of course, they're available for a lot of other devices as well. So do check out Capes India, link in the description. Use the promo code TJOC to get 10% discount. So first thing, go to the description, click the download link. You'll land on this page. Download the GCam APK file and the configuration file. Install the APK, open GCam, go to settings, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, save settings, type some random text, random name. Now the configuration file that you just downloaded, copy it. Now go to internal storage, GCam, configs, paste it here. Now go back to GCam, double tap on the empty area near the shutter button and select the file we just pasted. Done. Now an important note, this GCam port supports almost everything. Main camera, ultra wide camera, macro camera, night sight works on all three cameras. Only the video mode doesn't work as of now. So the support is great. The fact that you can access all three rear cameras is amazing by itself. Most phones cannot do that. But the image quality itself is not the best right now. The results are good, don't get me wrong, but not as good as what you would normally expect from GCam. But the reason I'm still posting this video is because the developers are actively working on improving the performance, and once they come up with newer versions, the updated APKs will appear on this page automatically. So you can check this page once in every few days. If there is a new version, download it and download the configuration file as well and follow the same instructions to install it. And before installing the new version, make sure you uninstall the old version. Now, finally, the comparison. GCam images actually look really good. In some cases, it's been the better performer. Here, the stock camera kind of overexposed everything and the colors are a bit messed up, but GCam gets it right. Same here, look at the road. But the major problem arises when you have a close look at the images. A lot of these images are kind of smudged up. They are not very crisp. The details are there, but they're very soft. It's not the usual GCam behavior, I'm sure of that. The stock camera gets the better images for the most part, sharper, cleaner, with better colors. Most of GCam images have a pink tint, which kind of messes up the colors a bit. And everything I just said applies to ultra wide photos as well. GCam images come out really well. In some instances they are better, but in most instances the stock camera images seem slightly better. They are ideally bright and sharp. GCam's low light images face the same issue. The colors are a bit off. They are quite cool. Cool as in you can notice a bluish tone throughout the image. And yeah, the lack of sharpness can also be noticed here when you zoom in. Night sight is amazing. Yes, the photos still turn out soft, but look at the bigger picture, pun intended. Overall, it has much less noise. The trees are a little brighter, they're visible to an extent, and the colors are a bit more vibrant. Same here. It's soft and smudged, but it still retains more details than the stock camera image. So this is a great example of where exactly GCam is headed. In a few weeks, we'll start seeing updates with much better results. When it comes to selfies, the stock camera is the clear winner. Not just because GCam is not at its best, but also because the stock camera has improved a lot. If you remember in my Note 7 Pro videos, I was cribbing about the front camera's HDR, which didn't really do much. But this time around, the selfie camera performance is really good. Great dynamic range, colors, and detail levels. Sometimes it seems a little underexposed and GCam images look better, but overall, I would definitely give this round to the stock camera. So yeah, GCam is not at its best, but this is definitely a step in the right direction. The biggest headache is to get all the cameras to work on GCam, and the developers have managed to do that already. And now it's just a matter of time before we start seeing better APKs and configurations. Do make sure to visit this download page every once in a while. I'll be posting updates on my Twitter as well, so stay tuned for that. And once again, to those of you who wanted to get the Note 8 Pro but got the Note 8 because of me, I'm really sorry. I totally get that some of you are trusting me with your hard-earned money to get the right advice, to get smartphone buying advice and all that. And I won't let you down. Bye.